these companies from Europe, they come to Africa. What they pay workers here per month is what they pay workers in Europe per day. They have got less expensive, and here is more expensive. It does not make sense. They make more profit here. The internet is 10 times more expensive in Africa than it is in Europe. I like. Para mim, muito negra.
Preto que misti.
Muito negra.
Diga me quem tem cor. Preto.
Black.
Yeah. Yes.
Sabe o produto ela carrega o duro, está mesmo protegido.
Sempre. Estou mais seguro.
E nem mais seguro, bro. Diga aqui que me vale.
Ai.
Você o cumprir, não cumprir.
Jesus Christ.
Aí,
Okay.
Aí.
How much?
Yeah, I good.
No, how much?
Take you much.
Quanto dinheiro?
Não, dinheiro que tem.
Como amigo,
I brought it.
my family.
Okay.
I family.
So,
family.
my family.
My family.
My family.
Yeah. What? No dinheiro?
No money, no nothing.
Eh.
My family, yeah.
Really?
Okay. Is this my brother? Is this I brought friend?
Ah.
Really?
Por encarregar.
I want number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah.
I'm here.
Okay.
You know, I don't have problem, no have nothing.
I can bring girls here.
Yeah. We are good. No friends.
Para ir a echar el cuarto, ir al
portão lá,
que me estive.
fazer
Okay.
And no money.
No money, no nothing. I family. This is like family.
Okay.
I family didn't know. No, but
Okay.
A la casa de baño. Lava curvo.
Oh, aquí. Okay. Ah.
Então, sabia o gordo? Nunca ouvi dizer. Não sabia o gordo?
Yeah, so I'm in Bissau now, and I'm outside of Orange to try and get me a SIM. In Bissau they've got MTM, and they've got MTM and oh yeah, she looks good. They've got MTM and they've got Orange. So they said Orange is better. So yeah, let's go in and try and see what deal I can get from Orange. Right. Yeah, so the first attempt in Orange didn't go as planned. Yeah, they're charging for 90 gig. They charge 50,000 safer, which is like 80 pounds, which is robbery. I don't know how they charge that much in Africa. In Africa, Orange is robbing Africa because these prices are exorbitant. It's not supposed to be. And then you can't get unlimited data. You know, it's not good. So I'm going to the internet office now to see if I can. I'm going to the internet office to see if I can get a cheaper plan from whatever they're giving me. Yeah, it's a little bit shaky, but yeah, let's go. You know, so when I get there, I'll keep you all updated. Walking in Bissau now. We're heading going to try to get some internet data. But, you know, let's enjoy Bissau. What can you say? I like it. I like it. Look at that. Natural food all over. I like it. How much? How much? How much? Huh?
Me now.
No? Why not? You want? Hey, how you doing? Your number? Look, call me. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, he's a customer of the weather. No, I'm saying your custom. This your weather.
Yeah.
Not my weather. Yet. Sorry. Not my weather yet. Yeah, they hustle and bust up this out. Hey, this guy know more girls than anybody else. too much girls.
And slip.
Oh,
Avec pin.
Karma.
Avec pin.
Oh. No.
Tu fais?
No, okay. It's tight. It's tight, but we're making it through. Don't worry, this stuff is picked up every day. It's picked up daytime and nighttime, so it's not left there. So don't have any funny ideas that that's how it looks 24/7. They clean up in the night, they clean up in the morning. You know? You can buy pants here. They're selling pants. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, everyone is on this mango tree.
Service étranger.
Okay. Oh, that's why everyone is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So this French. And if you guys think you're like it, here's a guy in slippers walking very fast for a long time. Like it's normal, right? Like it's normal. You know? and you guys are going to the gym, try walking in slippers very fast. Yeah, forget the gym. Get some slippers and walk very fast in the slippers. He's doing it. He's keeping up pace with me. Hey. He's keeping pace. Ah, she's beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Man. This is how you cross the road. You just go. Who goes first wins. And the slippers is still keeping up. Yeah. I must lose some weight here. But then you get, everywhere you go, you get food. Ah, skins. Yeah, so to everyone that's looking, the blue and white cars, they're taxis.
Is assembly.
Assembly. National Assembly.
Oui.
Assembly. Yeah. Yeah. So on my right, that's the National Assembly. Above me is a mango tree. Ah, no ripe mangoes as yet. Yeah. And this is Chiba Hotel. In case you guys have loads of money and want to spend on a hotel, you can come to Chiba Hotel. I'm staying by his place for free. So when you come, I would leave his number. So whenever you're in Bissau, you can call him. He said his place for free. Yeah. And you know, and it's all right. It's not bad. It's for free. So, no comment. You can tell who owns the hotel. You see that? Hi. Yeah. So we're walking towards the National Stadium. Yeah. So I think we've reached our destination, which is the greatest stick-up job of Africa. Orange. I don't understand these companies, you know, these companies from Europe, they come to Africa, what they pay workers here per month is what they pay workers in Europe per day. They have got less expenses, and here is more expensive. It does not make sense. They make more profit here. The internet is 10 times more expensive in Africa than it is in Europe. They pay less wages. I mean, why?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah? Yes.
Yeah.
See, this is where I said to come first. Premier key. Yeah. So let's go into the great Africa Rob.